Hey, it's Spence from WP Launchify with your WordPress tip of the day. Got a great question from Cheryl Matthews about how she can find and replace the name of any product throughout her WordPress site. And for that, I recommend the Better Find and Replace plugin by CodeSoulz. There's probably a couple other find and replace plugins in the WordPress repository. This is the one that's got the least amount of problems and the least amount of drama. I really enjoy it because it's simple, works, also lets you see and save the rules. Here's how it works. I've got a sample page. Let's pretend this is a product or otherwise. I have a term in here called Spencer likes flying airplanes. Let's pretend the name of the product is airplanes. All I need to do with this plugin is go to the find and replace, add a new rule. I'm going to type in the word airplanes. Now I can also change what I'm looking for to different things like a regular expression or jQuery, multi-byte character, but most of the time just the plain text will work fine. And here I want to replace it with the word trikes. All I do is save this rule. And once I'm done, that's it. It's now managed as one of the replacement rules, so I can come back to it later. When I refresh the page, airplanes is changed to trikes. It's really that simple. Now, what's nice about this is not only can you see the managed rules, but you can also see that it's here in the database. I can go directly into the database tables, or I can do in all URLs, all pages, posts. There's plenty of control even in the free plugin. Just be careful if you're replacing directly in the database, because unless you've got the pro version, you won't be able to restore it easily. So it's one thing to be replacing it inline inside the pages, but if you're going in the database for things like, let's say with products, there's going to be some deep rules and some deep storage inside the database tables that aren't just simply posts. Those things need you to do a little bit of extra caution unless you want to get the pro version, which that's up to you. I'm not likely to include this inside of the software bundle because it's a once in a while utility, but the free plugin is outstanding, highly useful, and I think this is a great solution for the question asked. I'll see you on the next video.